What is it now? SVR again!
Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Fayette, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, north central Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brookhaven, or near Morgantown, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Point Marion, Brookhaven, Fairchance, Smithfield, Clifton Mills, Sheep Lake. This includes Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 5 and 17. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using